Hey y'all, in this video we are doing some styling, so if you're interested, definitely continue watching. So this wig comes from Klaiyi Hair, and this is their 13 by 4 150% density 24-inch kinky straight wig. The lace is on the more transparent side, although it is super thin. The hairline did come slightly pre-plucked, but of course I'm going to go in and customize it by bleaching the knots and plucking a little bit more of that hairline. So this is what the lace is looking like, and it also comes with an adjustable elastic band and 3 combs. This is the texture. This is a slightly coarse, but it's very soft. So here I am, we're doing the styling of like the half up half down style. I just wanted to show you guys how I separated the hair. I am going to use all of the hair that's on the frontal to go up into the up part of the half up half down style. So yeah, you guys can see that I did go ahead and separate the frontal hair from the rest of the unit. So that's about how much parting space you will have, so not too much, which is something that I don't like when it comes down to 13 by 4 wigs, even 13 by 6 wigs, like when they're advertised like that, but you still have limited parting space. So I figured this was the best style to do for this wig because there was not much parting space. I didn't want to do a middle part or a side part, so I figured a half up half down will do. So as you guys can see, I'm just using some spritz to kind of mold that ponytail up, make it as nice and sleek as possible. Those hairs that are in the front, they're going to be loosely curled just to kind of create a nice classy type of style. Yeah, so I am going to curl the hair. So as you guys can see, I did spray some heat protectant onto the hair because I do want this texture to revert back when it's washed. And I'm curling the hair. These are not waves, so the hair is laid flat against the barrel to create curls. So I'll be doing that all throughout the unit, all throughout the hair that's in the back that's left down. So yeah, just wrapping it around like so, away from the front or away from the face, I would say. Yeah, so I'm wrapping it like so. Very nice, juicy, beautiful, curly curls. So yeah, I've had kinky straight hair in the past, and I do like the texture of the hair because it's coarse. The pattern itself is just super lovely. I like kinky straight that is not super crinkly, if you know what I mean. Because then you get the best results from it when you do a silk press and all of that. So here's how we're looking. The top was curled just as well as the back. Now we're going to work on the loosely hanging pieces. I'm going to cut the front like so, not too much so that when the hair is washed and styled differently, it's not too much of a difference. What am I trying to say? So I didn't cut too much because if I decide to part this down the center, I will just have, a little bit of layers in the front rather than an obvious cut, if that makes sense. So yeah, I'm going to go in with that same barrel wand curler to curl the loose hanging pieces, just to kind of give it a nice dreamy type of look, just effortless. I love the softness, and it's like a soft glam type of style. It's so cute, so well put together. But I wanted to install this wig as soon as possible, but I was not able to until about maybe 3 weeks later. This was recorded back in December, guys. We're in February, so yeah. There's that. I finally got around to installing it on my niece. Here she is, and I'm going to show you guys just how much the hair had fallen. Literally, it's so limp. There is no life in it, but nevertheless, we're going to go ahead and install it using my holding spray. You can use this as an alternative to glue. It definitely holds that lace down. I let it get tacky before putting the lace onto it, like so. Oh, and make sure that you clean your hairline with a little bit of alcohol or witch hazel just to get rid of any dirt, oil, makeup, anything of that sort, because that just helps this product work a lot better. So as you guys can see, I'm just spraying the lace down. Yep, getting it all ready to be melted. Going in with the band, and I'm also tightening the back of the wig because this is average size cap and her head is smaller. So this time around, instead of doing curls, I'm actually wrapping the hair around to create waves. So we're not doing curls anymore, we're doing waves. And after I curl each section and create the wave, I'm going to spray some spritz just to help that the waves last a lot longer. I won't be combing through them because I really just want this to last as long as possible. So yeah, just gonna go in, wrap that hair around that barrel like so, and I'm going to do the same thing to the top part as well. Being that you guys have already seen me curl an entire unit, I decided to speed up these clips a little bit. And so yeah, instead of curling, we're creating waves this go around, which I figured did the hair some justice still. And I did redo the ponytail off camera because I noticed that it wasn't in the center, but it's more in the center now. And I love how it came out. It came out so cute. Like, she is literally feeling this hairstyle, and I'm so glad that I went with this style rather than a regular bust down the middle side part. This definitely just shows the potential and the versatility of kinky straight hair, and I'll leave the link to the wig down below along with the coupon code. Definitely check it out, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.